Stop trying to be a better salesperson. Seriously. Stop it. If you think the secret to making millions online is having the best product or being the most charismatic closer, you are dead broke and you don't even know it yet. Look at McDonald's. Do they have the best burger in the world? No. They sell garbage, but they sell billions of dollars of it. Why? Because they don't rely on people. They rely on a system. They McDonald's the selling process so a 16-year-old with acne can outperform a master salesman. Today, I'm going to give you the blueprint for that system. We call it the complete conversion ecosystem. It is the exact A2C framework used to generate over $500 million in sales across every niche imaginable, from survival gear to beauty products. I'm going to show you the 4 magic boxers, the tripwire secret, and the 18-step psychological script that forces people to buy. Put your phone away. Let's work. Before we build the funnel, we have to fix your brain. The biggest mistake you are making right now is selling improvement. If you sell how to fix your marriage or how to improve your golf swing, you are fighting an uphill battle. People hate fixing things. It implies they are broken. It implies work. It implies past failure. You need to sell a new opportunity. Don't sell a better diet. Sell ketosis, a new mechanism. Don't sell better investing. Sell crypto. When you offer a new opportunity, you bypass the customer skepticism because they haven't failed at this specific thing yet. It offers them hope without the baggage of their past failures. We call this the bolt-on principle. Don't ask them to change their life. Ask them to bolt on this new thing that makes everything faster, easier, and sexier. That is the only way to get the masses to open their wallets. Now, let's look at the machine. A real business is not a product. It is these 4 boxers working in sequence. Box 1 is acquisition. This is where 99% of you fail. You try to make a profit here. Stop it. The goal of box 1 is not profit. The goal is to acquire a customer. You do this with a tripwire. This is a low ticket, all for $7, $10, maybe $20. It needs to be on impulse buy. We call this splintering. Take your main product and splinter off one tiny, irresistible piece. If you sell a course on playing guitar, don't sell the course yet. Sell a bag of custom guitar picks for $5. Why? Because the hardest thing to get a human to do is give you the first dollar. Once they open their wallet, the chemistry in their brain changes. They are no longer a browser. They are a buyer. I will happily lose $5 on the front end to get a buyer, because I know what happens in box 2. Box 2 is activation. This is your core product. This is where you actually solve the problem. Since they already trusted you with $7, selling them a $97 or $297 course is easy. You've broken the ice. Okay, you have your tripwire and your core offer. How do you actually sell them? You don't just wing it. You use the 18-step video sales letter formula. I won't give you all 18 right now, but here are the 3 make or break components you must have in your script. Number 1, the call out. Don't try to sell to everyone. Attention, new moms. Attention, chiropractors. If you try to sell to everyone, you sell to no one. Call them out immediately. Number 2, the nightmare story. Before you give the solution, you must agitate the pain. Show them the hell they are living in. But this is kids, not their fault. Tell them, you're fat because the food industry lied to you. You're broke because the system is rigged. This builds rapport. You are their ally against a common enemy. You are the Buddha they can put their faith in. Number 3, the stack. Never just say the price. You stack the value. You get The course $1,000 value, the templates $500 value, the coaching $2,000 value, total value $3,500. Then you drop the price, but you won't pay that. You won't even pay half. You drop it to $47. This destroys logical resistance. It makes not buying feel stupid. Now, people ask me, where do I get traffic? Listen to me. Traffic is a commodity. It's like rice. You can just go to the store and buy it. The problem isn't traffic. The problem is your cost per pixel. Don't send cold traffic to a sales page. They don't know you. Send them to content. A blog post. A video. Something valuable. Why? Because it's cheap. I can get clicks to a blog post for pennies. Once they land there, I pixel them. I tag them. Now, I own that audience. Then, I use retargeting to show them the tripwire offer. Hey, I saw you read the article about guitar picks. Here's a bag of them for $5. This is the invisible selling machine. You provide value first, pixel them, and then stalk them around the internet with your offer until they buy. It's cheaper, it builds authority, and it converts 10x better. We have acquired the customer box 1. We activated them box 2. Now, we make the real money. Box 3 is acceleration. This is your profit maximizer. If you just bought a camera core offer, what do you need? You need a lens, a bag, a tripod, speed lights. This is the one-click upsell. Immediately after they buy, offer them something that makes the result faster or easier. Want us to set this up for you? Want the advanced templates? This is pure profit. You have zero acquisition costs here. This is how you can afford to spend more on ads than your competitors. He who can spend the most to acquire a customer wins. This isn't theory. This is the ecosystem used by the biggest direct response companies in the world. 1. Create a tripwire new opportunity. 2. Pixel the traffic. 3. Use the 18-step script to close. 4. Upsell the speed and ease. Stop trying to be a genius. Be a system builder. Go build your ecosystem. Subscribe for more insider marketing secrets.